Angad, I'm looking at pictures of our new house. Don't you think we need some more pots for our balcony? Let's go buy some.
You know what? Let's go make some.
What? Hey guys, it's me, Neha Dhupia, and today me and my husband are going to go for a pottery session. Why? Because we decided to do something new and something exciting. Angad, say hi.
Hi!
There you go, we're all set. So let's go. Hello MG,
I'm here.
take me to the tiny clay.
पता है बचपन में मैंने एक बारी पॉटरी करी थी and I got it wrong. I really want to get it right this time.
Really?
Yeah.
But I have to admit, this is going to be my first time.
Really?
Yeah.
ठीक है. नेहा जब तक हम ये टाइनी क्ले तक पहुंचते हैं, I think we should try and play this compatibility game जो आजकल couples खेलते हैं.
It's called the compatibility test.
Okay, चलो हाँ same.
Okay, sure, let's
Yeah?
do it. Okay.
Okay, what's something I say I'll do, but I never get around doing it?
This is simple.
No.
You always promise me. Even last week, you were out of the country, you had the chance. You always promise me that you'll go shopping for me, but you never get down to going shopping for me, and you always make bahanas. Not cool, Angad. Not cool.
वापस से बोलना ये आंसर जरा. अभी मैं आया हूँ कहीं से बाहर से.
अच्छा ठीक है ओके फाइन. बट मैं बोलने वाली थी.
नहीं वापस से बोलो.
I also shop for you, but I shop for you more than you shop for me.
या कैसे समझाएं ये बात. हम एक चीज लेते हैं.
Okay, my turn.
20 चीजें ले लेती हो.
मैं my turn.
जो वो एक चीज को भी मैच नहीं कर पाती.
My turn.
तो हम वो एक चीज लेने वालों में से हैं.
Okay.
What is the biggest fashion faux pas I ever made?
I mean,
Many, but
there have been many, but okay, let me think of the
the
biggest.
most memorable one.
The most memorable has to be the one. You remember the time when you showed up at a wedding in this red velvet suit? Is there something on my face?
हाँ कोई नहीं चलो.
Breakfast? Okay, fine. You remember that time when you showed up at this wedding in this red velvet suit? We weren't even dating then. But
और तुम मेरे प्यार में पड़ गई थी.
कोई प्यार में नहीं पड़ी थी, but I was just
क्योंकि
thinking.
मैं जादूगर लग रहा था.
नहीं, प्यार का जादू एक तरफ होता है, but I mean, if I could fall for you, looking
Like
at you
that.
in a red velvet suit, it must have been love.
So do you remember where our first date was?
Yes.
Where?
Slinken Bardo.
Oh wow, do you remember what I wore?
Right here, on the left. You can see it from the ceiling. I'll show it to you on the way.
अच्छा.
How surreal is that, guys, that we're talking about it? I mean, how surreal is that? We're playing the game, we're talking about our first date, and we can actually see the place through the car. Beautiful.
Correct.
There, you can see it right across. There. You can see it right across the ceiling. Huh.
Nice. Do you remember what I wore?
Yes, I do. I remember that you'd worn this really nice red sweater.
Go on, baby. No, नहीं आप बोलो.
Maybe not the
पकड़ो.
first date, but maybe like the first or second or third. Any number of
मैंने
dates.
पहना था काली शर्ट, उसके ऊपर मैंने पहना था ग्रीन कार्डिगन.
That's it.
ठीक है. हाँ,
Green
रेड और
cardigan.
ग्रीन में थोड़ा शायद ये चश्मे का कलर में भी लाइट आपको आंखों में ज्यादा आ रही है.
No, wait. I'll tell you what it was. I remember it was
नहीं. हाँ,
I remember it was a Christmas color. So yeah, makes perfect sense. And मैं बस यही उम्मीद में हूँ that one day you will dress up for me all over again.
नहीं.
Lovely
cover up मत करो.
green cardigan.
No.
Next question. Okay, Angad, do you remember what our first fight was about?
इतनी हो चुकी है अभी याद नहीं है, लेकिन first fight in marriage, I feel since our marriage was non-linear, तो उसमें I was very like patient towards you, and तो थोड़ा impression भी जमाना होता है, so I was like letting go of a lot of things.
Yeah, and then वो बाकी जो वहाँ नहीं की थी अभी पूरी कर दी.
हाँ, पूरी कसर पूरी कर दी. Okay, when was the last time you realized? Sorry, I'll get back to it. When was the first time you realized you had feelings for me? Not last, first time.
When was the first time I realized I had feelings for you? Okay. Actually it's really strange, but I was having this party and I don't have too many big bashes, but I was like, there were over 100 people and you were shooting somewhere out of the country and I called you and I was like, can you please come for my party? And it was so nice to talk to you then while I was inviting everybody else. In my head I was just like, there are these 100 people or 100 plus people on one side, but the person I really want to be with and celebrate with is you. And I was like, this is so strange. Why am I feeling like this? Why? I mean, why you?
I was feeling नहीं फंसा दिया है.
दोनों फंसे पड़े. It's fine.
It's okay.
Now that we're standing at a red light, answer honestly. What's the most embarrassing thing you've done in public that still haunts you?
One time, the first time it was very embarrassing was a time where my zip was open of my trouser. So, and then I was also posing for pictures, and then I realized that the flag was open. So it was rather embarrassing for me.
Oh, okay.
Since then, I always check. What about you?
Me? It's happened many times. I've had an entire conversation with someone thinking that person is someone else, and then finally when I realize who that person is, it's too late and too deep that I just can't get out of it. And you know it's happened to me many times.
कल मेरे साथ भी हुआ था ऐसे.
You were talking to someone thinking it's someone else. Normal, that's why we're married.
You have reached your destination.
And how much fun was that?
It was amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Listen, I'm very hungry.
Okay, there's food made at home. Let's go.
Why? Let's go have a pizza.
नहीं, घर
Pizza
में खाना
खाते हैं यार.
घर में खाना बना हुआ है अंगद.
ठीक है, तुम घर का खाना खा लो, मैं पिज्जा खा लेता हूँ.
No. Yeah, Angad, you know what? The drive is long anyway.
Yeah, and the light is good.
The light is beautiful. The car feels amazing. But tell me, it's a long drive. So why don't we play another game?
Okay, fine. What are we going to do?
Rapid fire.
नहीं यार, suggest something else.
Okay, so if you don't want to play rapid fire, let's play who's more likely to.
Bring it on. लेकिन questions.
Okay, give me your phone. I'll Google.
हाँ, good idea. ये बड़ा idea.
Who's more likely to be caught up in a social media drama?
Neha Dhupia.
Who's more likely to trip on the red carpet in front of the photographers?
Angad Bedi.
Who's more likely to turn a casual dinner into a
Neha
full-blown
Dhupia.
photo shoot?
Question खत्म करने की जरूरत नहीं.
Who's more likely to get caught in a full-on dance party in their dressing room?
Neha Dhupia.
No, Angad Bedi. You're the one who's always dancing in your towel also. Who's more likely to forget their own lines during a live performance?
But that makes the two of us.
Yeah, but I'd say tilting
Neha
more towards,
Dhupia.
yes.
Okay, pause. Shall we?
Yeah.
Time for some pizza.
Wow, what a beautiful spot. Let's go.
Time for some pizza.
Game खेले? Continue करें?
Okay.
Who's more likely to laugh during a serious scene as a character?
Me.
बिल्कुल सही जवाब. Who's more likely to have a serious discussion with the kids about who's their favorite parent?
Oh my god, you Angad, you're so, oh my god.
They
this
already
is so
know who
you.
their favorite parent
Yeah,
is.
and then you keep pushing your case. You
Papa
always-
कहाँ है? Papa कहाँ है?
No, Papa ka hai, nahi. You always say, yeah.
Who's more likely to start a fight over something petty?
Like you just did.
Petty.
Betty.
Something petty.
Betty. Who's the party? I'm the party.
Okay,
It's the party.
Audience.
Yeah.
आप बताएं, who's more likely to fight over something petty? और इसमें आपको लाइफलाइन की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Who's more likely to take an impromptu vacation and post zero updates?
Well, impromptu vacation could be zero updates. You.
Who's more likely to spill tea about a big project by accident? Who's more likely to miss a flight?
Do not even argue that. Look at me.
Who's more likely to use their kids as an excuse to get out of a boring event? You! Say yes! Raise your hand!
Okay, fine.
He does.
Me.
Who is more likely to make a dramatic entrance at a party? Dramatic or late? The question should have been late entrance at.
Me.
Listen, this was so much fun.
I know.
I think we should do this again.
We should do this every day.
You know?
Yeah.
The drive, the pottery, pizza. मजा आ गया तुम्हारे सच.
Next time we should bring the kids also.
Double the fun. Like ऐसा कुछ बोल रहा है.
Wait, सारा कुछ करने के बाद ना. These seats are so comfortable. I think I'm going to fall off to sleep. Good night, Anga.